There are many drones on the market, and the best one for you will depend on your needs and budget. Here are some of the best drones available in 2024. Number 1. Lenovo AE7 Drone. Who it's for? Professional photographers, videographers, and those seeking top-tier performance. The Lenovo AE7 is a powerhouse designed for serious aerial imaging. Its triple camera system, including an 8K main camera, captures breathtaking stills and videos with exceptional detail. The combination of GPS, FPV, and obstacle avoidance ensures precise flight control and safety. With a massive 10,000 meters transmission range, you have the freedom to explore vast landscapes. Should you buy it? If you're a professional looking for a drone that delivers stunning visuals and advanced features, the Lenovo AE7 is a strong contender. However, its price point reflects its premium capabilities, so consider your budget carefully. Number 2. Potensic Mini Drone. Who it's for? Travel enthusiasts, hobbyists, and those seeking a portable drone with impressive features. The Potensic Mini Drone packs a punch in a compact package. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth video footage, while the 4K camera captures stunning details. The 6 km GPS range provides ample flying distance, and the foldable design makes it convenient for on-the-go adventures. Should you buy it? If you prioritize portability without compromising image quality, the Potensic Mini Drone is an excellent choice. It's a versatile drone suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 3. V168 Max Pro Drone. Who it's for? Enthusiasts and intermediate pilots seeking a balance of features and affordability. The V168 Max Pro offers a compelling blend of performance and value. Its 8K camera captures impressive visuals, while the additional HD camera provides flexibility. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV offers a smooth and responsive flying experience. With features like obstacle avoidance and automatic return, it's a user-friendly option. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a feature-rich drone without breaking the bank, the V168 Max Pro is worth considering. It's a solid choice for various applications, from aerial photography to recreational flying. Number 4. Beta FPV Cetus X Drone. Who it's for? Experienced FPV pilots seeking a high-performance racing drone. The Beta FPV Cetus X is a purpose-built drone for adrenaline junkies. Its powerful brushless motors and FPV racing camera deliver an immersive and exhilarating flight experience. The FRSKY ELRS compatibility offers customization options for experienced pilots. Should you buy it? If you're passionate about FPV racing and have the necessary skills, the Beta FPV Cetus X is a fantastic choice. However, it's not suitable for beginners due to its high speed and agility.